All right, we're busting a box of 17-18 Cornerstones Basketball. Good luck, Antron. Come on, Marble Quad Patch Auto. Or Downtown. Antron hits a ton of Downtowns. Let's see if we hit another one. Let's see. No Downtown in this one, I don't think. Alright, we got Malcolm Brogdon. We got Will Barton. And we got first up is Frank. Oh, this is like patch. Rookie patch 7 out of 10. 2-color Frank Mason III. Next up is Elfrid Payton at a 75. He's been playing crazy lately. That is Phoenix Suns, 15 out of 75. Got a redemption. Hopefully it's a big one. Who we got? Ntilikina Granite for the New York Knicks. And we got, oh, nice, LeBron James, Unbreakables. Cornerstones. All right, that is it, Antron. Thanks again, man. Appreciate it. Peace.